Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is October 13th, 2024, and we've got a lot to cover about Tesla's latest innovations and the reactions they've sparked. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla's recent unveiling of its driverless Robotaxi, the Cybercab, at the We Robot event has stirred quite the conversation. Former Waymo CEO John Krafcik was vocal in his criticism, questioning Tesla's commitment to safety and accessibility. He compared the event to a controversial statement by former President Donald Trump, suggesting it lacked seriousness and substance. During the event, Elon Musk announced that Tesla had already produced 20 Cybercabs, with plans for mass production by 2027. However, Krafcik pointed out potential accessibility issues, particularly the low seating, which could be problematic for elderly passengers and those with disabilities. He emphasized that serious robotaxi companies prioritize safety and comfort, areas where he believes Tesla's design falls short. Wall Street's reaction to the Cybercab unveiling was mixed. Some analysts were disappointed by the lack of detailed information, while others saw it as a promising glimpse into the future of transportation. Tesla's stock took a hit, dropping by as much as 10% after the event, reflecting investor concerns. Notably, Musk did not address plans for a more affordable electric vehicle, a topic that had been anticipated. The Cybercab is a bold step forward for Tesla, featuring a design without a steering wheel or traditional driver controls. It boasts a compact two-seater cabin with butterfly doors and utilizes wireless charging. Priced below $30,000, production is expected to begin in 2026, with hopes of hitting the roads by 2027. Pending full self-driving approval. The event also showcased Tesla's Optimus robot and a prototype of the Robovan, an electric autonomous vehicle designed to carry up to 20 passengers. However, no timeline or pricing details were provided for the Robovan. Despite the excitement, Tesla faces stiff competition from established players like Waymo, which has been operating driverless cars for years. Tesla's Robotaxi is set to feature a range of only 200 miles, but it achieves an impressive efficiency of 5.5 miles per kilowatt-hours, surpassing the current leader, the Lucid Air Pure. To keep costs low, Tesla plans to use the smallest battery it has ever used in an electric vehicle, estimated to be around 40 kilowatt-hours or less, costing approximately $4,000. The goal is to price the Robotaxi under $30,000 before tax credits. Tesla is developing 4 types of 4680 batteries, including a cheaper dry cathode version for the Robotaxi, potentially reducing production costs by 20%. The Robotaxi's battery may qualify for a federal tax credit of $45 per kilowatt-hour, significantly lowering its cost. The projected bill of materials for a larger Model 2 vehicle, which shares the same platform, is around $20,000, indicating lower manufacturing costs for the Robotaxi. Despite its limited range, the Robotaxi is expected to be profitable for Tesla, especially if it qualifies for the full $7,500 federal tax credit. The vehicle remains in the conceptual stage and has not yet been made available to the market. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Tesla's latest ventures informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates on the world of Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.